then we'll get all of our weather strip off. All this yucky weather strip. See how icky it is?
Can we get new stuff?
Yeah. Well, this ain't any good anyways. Get all that out. Okay, you gotta get the glass out. There you go. There should be... Da-da-da!
Oh, you gotta turn.
I'll hold the door. I'll
There you go. Victory, Grant. Victory.
Back in there.
Yeah, put them in there.
This was here.
We got Chris doing his thing here. Yeah, you guys get this apart. You gotta get down here. Yeah, you don't want that.
Okay. But it's still flat though.
Yeah. It's right there on the road. There you go. Now work it out. There you go. There you go. See what you guys want over here. Ooh, you're taking all the goodies out, right, boys?
No, we're trying to get there. You just got the glass out, which is massively shattered.
Yeah, I see it.
We're trying to get the X-frame, the window structure, just back in the way it was.
Regulator.
Yes.
Regulators!
Which involves getting everything back, because you've already pulled everything away out of location to get the window.
Get it back to where it needs to be. How's that looking, boys? Right there. There we go.
What number is that?
Like 3 1/4. There. How is it, boys?
It's getting pretty keep going. I mean, it has a little bit of texture, but you don't overdo it.
That's not too bad. Yeah, we'll go fill that in, and then I'll hit that with a welder.
More grinding right now.
Is
that good?
Yeah, we'll go in there with a welder. Yeah.
All right.
Plug her back in. I'm gonna take a quick shot out here. Go, Allie, go! Go, Allie, go! Go, Allie, go!
Is it? Grinding is fun.
Grinding is fun.
Grinding is
Body
fun.
work is fun.
Did you make more holes?
I'm not a big bodywork guy.
No.
My cars rivet together,
Your cars do live it together.
and then you throw it in the trash and buy another piece. But doing chassis stuff's fun. Like welding up bumper bars and...
I've got to learn to weld one of these days.
Well, that ain't the tool to do it on. We'll go use mine. Like, we're actually going to use mine when we
Oh,
do
you got the metal hot.
when we do the piece.
Oh, the piece, yeah. I'm looking forward to that day.
See, that needs more. I mean, you can feel the texture, but
Yeah. Let's just work it right on it. And let's not get like this again, because that's a deep spot now. But let's work right here.
Right there?
It's right on that upset.
And then the other one.
I need a finer. Oh wow. And a vacuum. Woo.
I got a chunk of it done.
Yeah, you got a big chunk of it done.